Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here with amazing Slavik.
What's up, bratans?
We still have our bet 1,000. I'm saying 26,500 was the bottom. Slavik says we got more to drop. What do you guys think? Who are you going to put your money on the $1,000 bet? Put down below.
But maybe we should do this bet with, that people can really bet with a little bit of Ethereum or Bitcoin with 000, and then the ones who win
Get
the
the
pot,
pot.
get the pot. Let's do this. Let's say to our team to organize it.
Yeah, or if someone knows a way to do it, let us know in the comment section. Yeah, this would be cool. Then we make the bets and other people.
Yes.
Is this illegal on YouTube? I think no.
No, I don't think. But this would be nice. It would be fun,
Yeah, my team will always win.
No, my
the
team
best.
will always win.
Okay, right now, if you had no money, how would you make money with this bear market, the world ending? What's your advice for people?
To be honest, it's try to change the world and try to get as much knowledge as you can and try to do what you love. I think this is the three most key points. And you?
Yeah. Mine is start doing something every day for 1 hour.
That's also
like
right.
Put in your mind, I'm going to make money. And every day you sit down for 1 hour with this goal at the same time, at the same day, every day, 1 hour, and try and come up with different ways, try to do different things. Even if you have zero money, there's ways. I made websites with no money. There's ways to make money with no money.
Yes.
We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades, what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping, the stock market not dropping much today. Finally, it's one of the only days. Let's see, it could drop more, but this is good. If the stock market can stabilize, Bitcoin can go on a run. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up this thumbs up button. The more you guys hit this thumbs up, the more likes on this video, the more YouTube pushes the algorithm and we become more famous. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. Bitcoin, the market is pumping a little bit. CRV up 8%, which is beautiful because I have a lot of it. CRV 8%, BNB up 3%. I have like $100,000 of that. APE is up 3%. Let's see what's down. Coinbase down 2.6. Why is the stock market opening strong but starting to weaken? Let's go into Bitcoin USDT. We're still playing out in the symmetrical wedge. Let's go in the 4-hourly first. 4-hourly, we're overbought. Bitcoin dumped and then held on this trend line. Now, volume is coming in. I talked about this in the previous videos. So what you're seeing is you're watching Bitcoin moving over time. And at the moment, everyone's panicking when we drop to 28,500, then going super bullish when we get to 31,500, panicking at 28,500. So we're just in this range, in this local range between these two blue lines. Now, right now, Bitcoin is trying to dump, and actually you had a big dump and a big bounce. Look at that. It moved from 30,600 to 29,900. There was around 26,000 Bitcoin sold in that 4-hourly period. Now, that's a good thing in a way because volume is coming in. And if you saw my previous video, this is a symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure. And if it can bounce here with a lot of volume, that's a sign to go long, to head up. That's what I talked about in the previous video. So right now we had a bounce. Volume is coming in, but we need a continuation of this bounce. Stochastic, though, is overbought, turning to head down. Usually that means Bitcoin is going to break to the downside. So targeting the bottom of this symmetrical triangle. And symmetrical triangles, they break to the base of the triangle, this distance here, in either a direction. So it can go either direction. We really want it to break to the upside, but because if not, 28,500, this range is back in place. Stochastic overbought heading down. RSI overbought heading down. Squeeze mob turning green. So squeeze mob is just starting to go green. And RSI, even though it's heading down, it's making higher lows each time. You can see Bitcoin has been moving sideways, but the RSI is actually making higher lows. Let's go see on the EMA ribbons and then go into the hourly. So stochastic, whenever it's at the overbought here, it's usually time to short. So you can see here, when Bitcoin was up here, it was time to short before a big drop, like here. When Bitcoin was up here, now most likely time to short. When Bitcoin was up here, it was time to actually short. So is it most likely Bitcoin is going to be dropping to 28,500. Right now we're above the EMA ribbons for the first time in a long time, and it's actually using the EMA ribbon as support. That's quite interesting. First time it's been above the EMA ribbons. Let's see if we can hold it. Crypto Guru bot is still showing a sell. It hasn't flipped or buy. When it flips to a buy on the 4-hourly, that would be massive. We have a lot of support at this $30,000 area. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy and it hasn't fired a sell. I'm currently long on Bitcoin. Then I'll show you my trades. Stochastic on the hourly oversold. That's a good sign. Turning to head up. RSI is also heading down. And squeeze mob is going towards the red side. Quite a bit of volume, but that's a big week down and then a big recovery bounce. Look at that. that wick, that's a hammer. That's a bullish kind of pattern. Let's see if this can keep holding up. But in my opinion, I'm staying long. So if we get a bounce, I would actually go long here. If we get a bounce with a lot of volume comes in and buying volume, that's a sign to go long. So if you want to trade, I'm going to show you my trades, then where I would open a trade under the video. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can sign up down below. Smash up this thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, click the join button, see my live trades. And I'm trading on Bybit. You get $4,600 of bonuses, real money, when you deposit Bitcoin in Bybit and start trading. And I would actually go long on Bitcoin here after a bounce. Again, after it bounces with a lot of volume, which is happening right now, but we need a continuation, so like green movements. I would go long on Bitcoin. The stop loss below this support here, below this resistance, below this supports that was at 29,600, and take profit at the upper end of this channel. So I'm risking $659 to make $1,045. 10x leverage will be $10,000. 100x leverage will be $100,000 of profits. So for every $659 risking, making $1,000 profit. That's not bad. It's around a 1.59 ratio trade. That's how it would go long. And I'm going to show you my trades. I'm making quite a bit of money today. Over on this account, I have almost $198,000 in here. This was around $180,000. $183,000 yesterday, so it's almost made, what is that, like $10 to $15,000 since yesterday. I'm holding BUSD BIT. I've got $42,000 of BIT. CRV, which had a big pump, 10%. I've got 39,000, so that's up around $4,000 today. Bitcoin, I've got 31 Bitcoin in here, and my trade on Bitcoin is still up $660, 13%. It's a $25,000 Bitcoin trade. And over on Binance, I made a lot. In this account, I've been using this for spending, but it's at 390,000, which is amazing. I think in this account, I've spent like in the last 2 days, like maybe $30,000 or $23,000, yet it's still sitting around $400,000. Even though I'm spending money, it's still because I've got 4 Bitcoin in here, which was $110,000. Now it's $121,000, so up a lot in the last few days. And I've got BNB, which I bought for $80,000, now $103,000, so made $23,000 on those two. I've got some buy orders, Bitcoin at 28,500, BNB at 260. Those are my trades. That's what I think is happening in the market. Again, trading on Bybit to get that bonus, 4,600. And you can take my crypto course where I teach you trading, technical analysis. More than 6,000 students taking my courses. This is some comments. You quoted, James. Bitcoin is at 29K. This is a project, Chibi Dinos, that you should check out. Millionaire mentor Jason Stone just reposted on Instagram. He swept the floor on this NFT collection. What they're doing is they're merging crypto and NBA, and they have real NBA stars. And the founder is Sean Kelly, who has 9 million followers. I'm an advisor to this project. It's something that I really like this project. NBA and crypto is going to be massive. This is the Magic Craft NFTs, which you can be buying on at the public mint is live, and there's one Tesla hidden in there. It's 0.75 to mint one of the NFTs. They'll be revealed at the end of the sale. Good morning, James. You're the only person making money in this market. This is the Magic Craft team building epic play-to-earn game. This is some of the designs from the play-to-earn game. Please tell your life story. So I'll tell my life story. I actually started trading when I was 14 years old. My father was kind of using Forex markets to gamble, and he got me to like kind of handle his gambling. But while he was doing that, I was learning at 14 how to do technical analysis. And I started trading then. I made websites. I made a lot of money, actually. I had one of the biggest eBay companies in Australia when I was a young kid. Many websites, many franchises I owned, restaurants, and just different businesses. Then I had an app development company. Then I sold everything and I went and lived on a tropical island just investing. I've been stock trading and crypto trading since 2012. I started mining Bitcoin in 2012. Then I pretty much just retired on a tropical island. Most of you started watching me about 2.5 years ago on that island. Then I started making videos because Crypto and Carl recommended I show my teachings when it comes to stocks and cryptos. And ever since I've been making videos. I'm a VC investing in many crypto projects. I'm an advisor to a lot of crypto projects. And I'm the founder of Magic Craft, and I've just been learning a lot and just teaching what I've been learning in crypto and stocks, etc. So that's what my theory is about what's happening in the market. Thank you all for watching. I've got to turn on the camera. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button down there. You're all amazing. My goal, teach you what I know, show you what I do every day. It's not financial advice. I'm showing you what I do with my money. I'm buying Bitcoin here. I've got 5 Bitcoin out of 100 that I'm going to be starting to stack down here, or if we go lower. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.